Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change your email on Slack in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, open Slack on your web browser and log into your workspace. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you should see your profile picture at the bottom left corner of your Slack workspace. Click on your profile picture. Now, click on Profile. This will take you to your profile settings. In your profile settings, click on the three dots and select the account settings option. This will open a new tab in your browser. On the account setting page, you will see your current email listed under email. To change it, click the expand button next to your email address. Here, you will be able to enter your new email address. Type in the new email and your current password, then hit update email. Slack will send the verification email to your new email address to confirm the change. Simply open that mail, click the verification link, and you are all set. And that's it. You have successfully changed your email on Slack. It's that easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.